Hi, welcome to the Health and Healing Wellness Centre. My name's Luke and I'm the owner of the Health and Healing Wellness Centre, and I'm also the main chiropractor here as well. We started the practice about 13 years ago, and what we tried to do was bring together a bunch of like-minded individuals from different modalities who could come together under one roof and work together. I was exposed to chiropractic at a very young age and have fallen in love with it ever since. So from the age of about 12, I've been seeing a chiropractor. And then later on had an opportunity to get into studying chiropractic, and I've been practicing now for about 15 years. I really love chiropractic, and it's something I see myself doing for the rest of my life. When having started being treated from a chiropractor when I was very young, I sort of got a really good idea as to the benefits at an early age, and always had a real love for it come from there. When someone comes to the practice for their first chiropractic consultation, well, the first step we start with is a fairly detailed history as to what is happening with the patient and trying to assess if they're in for a particular injury or something like that, or if they have some other health goals that we're looking to achieve. From there, we do some orthopedic testing and then run through some palpation and general spinal range of movement. And then from there, we'll generate a bit of an initial plan of attack to try and work out how we might treat the body. We always try and treat the person on their first visit. The reason being, if someone is in pain, we want to start them on their path to recovery quickly. I like to focus on the person as an individual and understand that one size doesn't fit all, or one person can never be pigeonholed into a box. And when I am discussing treatment plans with the patient or coming up with that plan, I like to look at them as an individual and try and tailor the treatment to the patient. I often get asked, does someone need to see a chiropractor forever? And the answer is no. So that is a falsehood. Some people who come in for treatment for chiropractic find a lot of benefit from chiropractic and make a choice that they would like to get ongoing care, which might span their lifespan. Other people would come in for treatment of a specific concern or injury, and then from there we would look to get that fixed up and sorted out, and then they might not come back for chiropractic until they go through another injury process or something else that has occurred. Either approach is perfectly acceptable, and it's more just tailoring our approach to what the patient would like in that regard. And we will also do that at the initial consultation, setting out what the health goals are. The chiropractic techniques that I like to employ when I'm treating a patient is we like to use a mix of both some soft tissue work and massage technique, and also some chiropractic adjusting as well. The reason we do some of the massage and soft tissue work is to try and loosen the joints in the body to make the manipulation more easy and more effective. This can also make it a lot more comfortable for the patient when we're doing some of those adjusting through the tight areas or areas that are sore or inflamed. In addition to doing some massage before the adjustment, we also like to use some heat on the patient where it will be applicable, and using that heat to relax the muscle tissue as well, which can also aid in us making any movement of the joints in the spine more comfortable. And in using the techniques of using heat and massage before the treatment, it also helps the adjustment to hold for longer and be more effective. The most rewarding part about being a chiropractor and treating patients is being able to help people make great change with their body and with their health. Many people present to a chiropractor in pain, so it is fairly easy to see if you are getting some improvement, and that is extremely rewarding when you can help a person who can't do something or is in pain be able to do those things or achieve those health goals. I think the reason why someone would come to this practice rather than go somewhere else is because we really try and tailor a treatment program to the patient. We have a saying around here where the first and most important thing is to listen to the patient. So as practitioners in the practice, what we try and do is listen, which will help us gain an understanding as to what they're actually looking to achieve, and actually gaining an understanding as what the driver is and what brought them here in the first place. I think all of the treatment and or supplements and or herbs that are provided are all very individualized. And I think that's the main thing that would bring a person to our practice rather than getting them to go somewhere else, is the fact that we individualise all the treatments bespoke to the person so that they can achieve the best outcome. So from everyone here at the Health and Healing Wellness Centre, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you here in the practice very soon.